notice anything different. Yep, better audio quality. I'm not stuck with that Nokia phone I used to record with. But I mean, it was only for one video, so it's not that much. But yeah, I got a Blue Snowball Ice, $50. Got it on like Sunday at Best Buy. And yeah, it's great mic, 10 out of 10 would recommend. You know, I just recommend this over the Yeti because it's cheaper. I mean, I've never like seen any reviews for the Yeti, but I've watched YouTubers who use it, and I'd have to say that the audio's like the same. So just get this one if you want to save some money. But so I'm just gonna show an unboxing of the mic, and like my body parts showing it, and like I don't think like my body is super bad. But I just want to let you know that I'm not the most handsome person in the world. So, enjoy it. Hey, you know how I said I used to record my videos on a phone? Well, guess what? Yep. I got a new mic today. Blue Snowball Ice. Yeah. Wait. And also, while recording this, I'm still in the works of my 10 sub special, which is why it still sounds muffled. So yeah, let's unbox it. Also, I'm in the bonus room of my house, so this is my room. Sound as cool as you look. Thanks. That guy's having fun with his guitar. Also, I would have gotten the Blue Yeti, but you know, it's like $100. Also, I'm not that good at commentary, so there might be a bunch of awkward silences. Please don't mind that. Man, it's so hard to open this. Okay, I got that out. And let's take out the main thing. Empty box. Alright, let's go see this first box. We got some cables here, the stand, USB, I think. Oh, and the instructions. Okay, let's go to see the actual mic itself. You can see the logo right there, blue. That's a very creative name. Man, this packaging is really complex. Man, my finger keeps getting in the way of the camera. Man, I suck at unboxing videos. Okay, seriously, how does this thing... Ah, here we go. There's a little thing. A tab. Correct. Oh, that's a really cool pattern. But there it is. It's the mic. It's a cool circle thing. Oh, it's called the Blue Snowball. Okay. Let's just open this up. Man, I really need a stand for this. Boom. Oh, wait, no, that's... Okay. You know, I'll just cut this out when I actually open it. Okay, so I got it out. That didn't take that long. I just needed 2 hands to open it. So yeah, very spherical. Got the place where the stand connects. The port says Snowball Ice. And a bunch of metal grids. Alright, let's attach it to the stand. Okay. Yeah, I used my mouse to open it. Okay, I got the stand. Very sleek. Okay, let's see. I think we're supposed to screw this on to the, yep. Let me just, oh yeah, I got this mic at Best Buy. Just an FYI. There, it's connected. Let's nice. So now I can just set this up on my desk and speak into it. Oh yeah. So yeah, that's it. My next video will probably use this as my mic. So yeah, bye.